Guys, hello guys. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off comments on your posts on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings, and now click account settings, and here click manage notifications. Now here you will find comments on your posts. Just click like this, and if you want to turn it off, just like this, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.